Recent data from the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention suggests that a summer surge of COVID-19 could be underway, although not as significant as in past summers. By some measures, the number of coronavirus infections is rising, along with test positivity, emergency department visits and, most alarmingly,
step-by-step how to create a news channel with AI. However, before that, we invite you to subscribe to Fast Track AI channel, like the video, and write a comment. Without any delay, let's start with the first step. We will use the Google News website to fetch exclusive and urgent news. The website is distinguished by automatically updating news from the best and most reliable sources, including news channels. It offers several news categories, such as world, local, business, entertainment, sports, science, and health. To access health-related news, click on the Health category, and you will find various topics to choose from. In our case, we selected the topic about what you should know about the latest COVID-19. You can read about important information and recent developments related to the COVID-19 pandemic, as well as the latest medical updates and health guidelines. We will copy this article and go to the ChatGPT website, then type "rewrite this article" and paste the article we copied. We wait for the website to rephrase it in its own way, and thus, we will have an article without copyrights and ownership. As you can see, this is the ready article, and we will proceed to create a video based on this article. To create a video, we will use the free website Pexels. We will select a video and enter COVID-19 in the search box. It will show several videos that are free to use without copyright restrictions. To choose the videos and their quality, you need to understand the article's topic and divide it into ideas. In this case, we will search for videos related to the COVID-19 virus symbol, a doctor conducting research, and people in a closed place. The downloading process is straightforward. Click on the video you want to download and then press Free Download. You can download multiple videos and open them using the video editing software CapCut. Simply paste the downloaded videos and make some edits to ensure a well-coordinated video. Afterward, click on Export, choose the video resolution, and then Export. We will use the HeyGen website to create an animated avatar as an introduction to the news. The website is not free. It provides 2 credits for creating a video that is less than 60 seconds long. To register, click on Sign In, and then scroll down and click on Sign Up with Email. You can sign up using your email, Gmail, or Facebook account. After registration, click on Create Video, and choose an avatar from the various characters available. Next, click on the audio to select the speaker, and then click on Filters. Choose News, and you will see characters presenting the news. Select one of them and reduce the speech speed to 1x. After that, go back to the ChatGPT website and copy the article you have rephrased, but leave only the doctor's speech, as we want to make the news more professional. Paste the article into the text box and then click on Play Scripts. As mentioned before, make sure the video's length is less than 60 seconds, and then click Submit. Now, wait for the video to be ready and then download it. Repeat the same process for the question that the news presenter will ask the doctor. To turn an image into an avatar or a talking character, we will use the DID website. The website is not free, but it provides several free attempts with credits that you'll receive after registration. To create an account on the website, click on Try Now, it's free, then click Sign In, and at the bottom, click Sign Up. You can register using your email, Gmail, or LinkedIn account. After registration, we need to find a picture of Dr. Lena Wen. Click on her name with the left mouse button, choose Search Google for Dr. Lena Wen, and select an appropriate image. Then, go back to the DID website, click Add, and choose the uploaded image. Once the image is uploaded, return to the ChatGPT website, copy what Dr. Wen said in the article, and paste it on the DID website. The website offers various voices in different languages. After adjusting everything, click on Generate Video, then Generate. Wait for a moment until the video is ready, and then download it. Now, we can proceed to the final step. We will use Canva to create our design. From the Create a Design section, we choose Video. Next, we upload the videos we created earlier to Canva. In the second step, we choose Design and search for News. We select the news intro, the news presenter's background, and the doctor's background. We make the intro just 5 seconds long to avoid it being too lengthy. Now, we need to replace the images and videos on the template. We drag the news presenter video on top of the template and click Edit Video to use the background remover to make the background transparent. Then, we search for COVID-19 in Elements and choose a suitable video. We drag it on top of the template and adjust it accordingly. In the second scene, we drag our COVID-19 video and then the doctor's video on top of the news presenter. We arrange and adjust them professionally. For the final touch, we need background music suitable for news. We search for a news in YouTube's library, download the music that fits our needs, and return to Canva. We upload the clips first and then add the music to the intro, making it 5 seconds long. We repeat the process for the news presenter and the doctor's scenes, but this time we lower the volume to use the music as background for a more professional result. After finishing, we click Share, download the video, and move on to watch the final result.
Recent data from the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention suggests that a summer surge of COVID-19 could be underway, although not as significant as in past summers. By some measures, the number of coronavirus infections is rising, along with test positivity, emergency department visits and, most alarmingly, hospital admissions. Why might this increase be occurring? How worried should people be? What preventive measures make the most sense? Who should consider changing plans, including summer travel? And how might all of this impact the return to schools, which is already occurring in some parts of the country? To guide us through these questions and more, I spoke with CNN medical analyst Dr. Lena Wen, who is an emergency physician and professor of health policy and management at the George Washington University Milken Institute School of Public Health. She previously served as Baltimore's health commissioner.
We are now in the fourth summer of the coronavirus pandemic. Every summer thus far, the United States has seen an increase in COVID-19 cases. Some of this may be due to the cyclical nature of the coronavirus. We've seen an increase in cases, followed by a relatively quieter period, followed by another increase. This may well be the pattern going forward, with 2 or more of these waves of infections every year. One of the reasons for a rise in cases during summer, specifically, may be that people get together indoors when the weather is very hot. This could also explain why there are increases in infections around holidays, when people gather in larger groups in enclosed spaces.